Now to the coronavirus in Connecticut. The state is trying to make a change to make it easier for kids to stay in school during this global pandemic. And this is something that you should be aware of because the policy when it comes to quarantining, if your student is exposed to someone who tested positive, is actually going into effect today.
Channel 3 Eyewitnesses reporter Aya Galil is live at Newington High School to break down what you as parents need to know. Good morning, Aya.
Good morning, Wendell and Nicole. And unvaccinated students and staff who come into close contact with someone who tests positive for COVID-19 no longer have to quarantine. This is part of the state's new Screen and Stay initiative. It's meant to minimize education-related disruptions and help keep kids in school. And it's up to individual school districts to decide if they want to implement the new policy. Major changes for Connecticut schools that mean less time quarantining and more time in the classroom.
You're never going to get the same experience online as you are in a classroom.
Under the Screen and Stay initiative, schools that choose to participate no longer have to send unvaccinated students or staff home if they're a close contact to a known COVID-19 case. Under this new policy, they can remain in school as long as they're wearing a mask and don't develop symptoms. Before the change, unvaccinated kids had to quarantine for up to 10 days after a close contact. Statewide policy already lets vaccinated students stay in class. The policy does not require testing, but public health officials say the spread of COVID in schools remains low in Connecticut. Similar programs have been effective in other states.
We even have data that came out from this summer of schools that did similar things to this, for example, in North Carolina, and had very, very low rates of transmission.
And children ages 5 and up are now eligible to receive the vaccine. The governor says he's going to be keeping a close eye on Connecticut's COVID numbers over the holidays. And if the numbers stay low, mask mandates could soon no longer be in effect in schools. So we'll certainly keep you posted on that. Reporting live this morning in Newington, Aya Galil, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.